Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an offline presentation in Canva, the full guide. If you've ever faced unreliable internet during a meeting or presentation, this trick will be a total lifesaver. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access your Canva slides offline anytime, anywhere. First, open Canva and locate the presentation you want to use offline. Hover over your file and you'll notice three small dots appear in the top right corner. These dots open additional settings for your presentation. Click on those three dots, then select Enable Offline Presenting. Canva will start downloading all the necessary resources directly to your device. Depending on the size of your presentation, this may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the download is complete, it's crucial to test your presentation offline. Simply disconnect from the internet and open your file to make sure everything works smoothly. This step ensures you won't face any hiccups during your actual event. This offline feature is perfect for business professionals, educators, and anyone who needs a reliable presentation, no matter where they are. Once enabled, your Canva presentation works fully without an internet connection, giving you peace of mind and professional confidence. And that's it. Now you can confidently present your Canva slides offline without worrying about connectivity issues. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick, practical Canva tips. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.